In Captain Optimus Strong V2, we will introduce a new indicator-based exit feature. This functionality allows traders to use signals from input indicators to determine when a trade should be closed, rather than relying solely on fixed profit targets or stop losses. The setup process for the indicator-based exit feature in Captain Optimus Strong V2 is as follows. Step 1. Build the entry strategy first. In this example, I will create an entry logic by combining 3 different trading indicators to generate a multi-layer confirmation signal. The goal of this approach is to execute trades only when all 3 indicators are aligned, helping filter out market noise and improve the quality of each trading opportunity. Once the entry logic is completed, we will then connect the indicator-based exit feature to build a complete trading system from entry to exit. Step 2. Build the exit condition. First, change the exit method to switch to indicator mode. Next, choose the indicator you want to use as your trade exit signal. Important: do not double-click the indicator. Double-clicking may accidentally place the indicator into the input indicator section used for entry signal processing rather than the exit indicator section. After selecting the indicator, click the plus button below to add and confirm it as an indicator exit source. Finally, set the correct signal code that corresponds to the signal generated by your selected indicator. This allows Captain Optimus Strong V2 to accurately recognize when an exit condition has been triggered. One important note to better understand how indicator-based exit works. The system automatically interprets the relationship between entry and exit signals. For example, if your sell entry logic is built around bearish conditions, Captain Optimus Strong V2 will automatically recognize that the corresponding exit condition should be a bullish signal from the configured exit indicator. Likewise, if a buy trade is based on bullish conditions, the system will monitor for a bearish signal to determine when the position should be closed. Here, you will see the system entering and exiting trades based on the signals you selected. Note: if a new signal appears before the configured exit condition is met, the system will continue holding the current position and will only exit when a valid new signal is formed. Next, let's look at a clear example of how the indicator-based exit mechanism works. In this example, we have a buy trade. The exit condition is configured to trigger when volume delta generates an opposite signal. As a result, the trade will remain open until a bearish volume delta signal appears, at which point the system will automatically close the buy position. Conversely, if the system is holding a sell trade, the position will remain active until volume delta generates a bullish signal, which will serve as the exit condition. Of course, the original exit mechanism from Captain Optimus Strong version 1 remains available. This is the consensus-ended exit feature. In this example, the system automatically closed the sell trade once the bearish consensus was no longer present. The buy trade works in exactly the same way. The system will continue holding the position as long as the bullish consensus remains intact. Once the overlap between bullish signals disappears, meaning the level of bullish agreement has weakened, the system will automatically close the buy position,